Hey everybody, welcome to Pack Buster. I'm your host Dave, and we love busting open packs at midnight. Now tonight I'm going to open up a 2022 Topps Baseball Series 2 box. This box has 7 packs and 1 relic card per box. I'd like to also remind everyone, when I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away 2 of these boxes. And how do you get a chance to win one of the 2 boxes? Well, all you got to do is like, subscribe, hashtag Tops2022 in this video. On my last video, I did skip right by this rookie card, and this is a Seth Beer rookie. And that's a nice looking card. So let's get right into this 2022 box, and let's see if we can find some rookies like a Julio Rodriguez or a Bobby Witt Jr. Hopefully everyone's doing great tonight. Looks like we got ourselves. This is the fat pack. We know the relic is in there. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, Milwaukee Brewers, Los Angeles Dodgers. This is Postseason Passion. Blackman, Vogelbach, Cabrera, Soraka, Lindor. It looks like we got a Sweet Shades. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a good one. This is his rookie. Wander Franco. Nice. Now, this is a special insert. Looks like a special insert. SS8. This is a nice card. Wow, good hit. I'm going to put that to the left. Okay, Stars of Major League Baseball. Mart, Garcia, Ray, Taylor, Thomas. Wow, that was a good first pack. Let's continue with getting the good hits. Pack number 2. And we have Carrera, Lowe, Shoop, Kiermaier, Mikado, Hader, Bohm, Akiyama. Oh, Jackie Robinson. Nice. Whoa. This is nice. Cool. Stars of MLB. Goldschmidt, Reynolds, Adon, Valeka, and Lowry. Now that low card, was that a rookie? Let's go through it real quick. Nathan, let me look real quick here. No, that was not the rookie. Hey, that's a nice pack. That second pack was also good with that Jackie Robinson card. Cool. Pack number 3. Caratini, Jimenez, Crawford, Detroit Tigers, Devers, Flores, Jimenez. Let's go back to that card. Okay. Melicon, Pick the Game, Call the Shot to Win, Home Run Challenge, Mitch Haniger, Votto, McCarthy, Hayes, Murphy, and Gonzalez. All right, that's a third pack. We're going to the fourth pack. And we have Buxton, Mandrigal, Yepes, Kraus, Ortega, Wilson, San Martini, and this is a numbered card, 581 of 2022, and that's Manuel Margot. There we go, Margot or Margot? It's got the T, so maybe we'll pronounce that T. We'll put that in there, Margot. Manuel Margot, okay. Tony Gwynn, nice, and this is a cut card. Cool, look at that, huh? You can see all the rainbow colors when you move it in the light. Cool. Tony Gwynn. Nice card. Mullins. Davidson. Montgomery. Feltner. And Sandoval. Okay, that was pack number 4. We're going to pack number 5. So far, very pleased of the cards that I got. Pelgero, Otto, Santana, Pittsburgh Pirates, Cleveland Guardians, and this one is Evaldi, Hoskins, Hernandez, and what do we got here? This is a Stars of MLB, Major League Baseball, Jimenez. There's another one. It's Otani, Garver, Siri. Now, is that the rookie? It just says rookie card. And that is... Yes, this is another rookie. Nice. All right, we're going to put that right there with the Seth. Cool. All right. Anthony Rendon. Lorenzo Kane. Cool, that was a good pack. Pack number 6. Bradley Jr. Superstars in the Big Apple. Manuel Margot. Minnesota Twins. Boston Bashers. Heredia, Sanchez, Bauman, 87. Okay, flashback here. We got a Ronald Acuna Jr. Nice. Now that's his second year, I believe. I'm not sure, but that's still a nice card. Cool. Cody Bellinger. Contreras. Nope. Contreras. Jonathan India. Wade Jr. Marquez. Okay, guys, we're going to look at that last pack. And that one has the relic. The relic. Okay, here we go. Goodrum. Toro. It's Toro. Edmund. Brubaker. Calhoun. Javier Baez. Otto Lopez. Justin Upton. And this one is Kansas City Royals. This is a blue card. Okay. Bo Bichette is the helmet card. Bo Bichette. Toronto Blue Jays. That's a nice one. All right, we'll put that right there. Stars of MLB. Abreu. O'Neill. Toronto Talent. Casey Mize. And the last card of this box is Brandon Lowe. Was Brandon Lowe a rookie? I don't believe so. No. Okay. Cool. Well, guys, what do you think of this box? I thought it was good. We got some great cards. Look at that. We got Franco. Nice. We got Jackie Robinson. We got the Tony Gwynn cut card. Cool. And a Ronald Acuna Jr. And we got the Bo Bichette helmet card. Cool, huh? What do you think? Well, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. And remember to like, subscribe, and hashtag Tops 2022 for a chance to win one of those boxes in front of you. And as always, guys, see you later. See you soon. See you at midnight.